So good morning students. So today we are going to see 8th standard computer science lesson 8 more on Photoshop. Okay. First of all we have to download this Photoshop software. Okay. So it will be like this. This is called Photoshop software. Okay. First how to open the page. So file, new. This is the name of the file. Okay, you can choose any file name. Okay, so my photo edit, any name you can give. Okay, my photo edit is the name of the Photoshop file name, and present. Custom means you can choose any size as per you want. Okay. So you can choose in centimeter. Can you see here where is centimeter? Yes, you can see centimeter. Okay, so this is called 20 centimeters and 29 centimeters. Okay, so any width you can give, then okay. and 29 centimeters, let it will be open. Okay, so this is 20 centimeter and this height will be 29 centimeter. Okay, so as per you want, you can choose the file. Okay, let me open some other one. File, new. I told you can choose any name. Okay, so my edit 1. My edit 1 is the file name. Okay, then custom means you can choose any width size, you can choose any height size. Okay, so this time we can choose, first let me choose custom, then this time we can choose inches. Okay, so 8 inches and 11 inches, 8 inches height. For example, if I give 11 inches and here 8 inches means the height will be small and the width will be very big. Okay, so okay, you see the height will be small whereas the width is somewhat lengthier than the height. Understand students? Okay, now file, new. I told you this place is to edit. Okay, this place is to give the name of the file, and here custom means you can choose any width size and any height size. Okay, so you can choose, you can give in inches, or you can give in centimeter, or you can give in millimeter, or you can give in any points. Okay, so what is this pixels? Pixels means generally web photo, internet photo is there, no? That will be mentioned in the size of pixels. Okay, suppose you are going to take printout in A4 sheet means you can use inches, centimeter or millimeter. Suppose you are going to take printout in A4 sheet means you can choose inches or centimeters or millimeters. Okay, okay, suppose you are going to display the picture in website. That means that time you had to use what? That time you had to use pixels. So understand students? Right. Hope it is recording. Right. So then what is this resolution? Resolution means pixels per inch. Resolution means pixels per inch. Okay. That means you'll think. Just a minute. Okay, so pixels per inch means for example 1 inch length, 1 inch width, or square box வச்சுக்கோங்க. அந்த square box குள்ள how many dots are there, that defines the resolution. That is called resolution. 1 inch square box குள்ள எத்தனை dots இருக்கு, that is called as resolution. The more number of dots, the more number of clarity. Okay, let me explain you. Suppose some photo is low clarity means நீ zoom பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அப்படி இருக்கும், it will be very very low clarity. So low clarity ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா resolution will be below 72. For example 50 resolution இருக்கிற ஒரு picture பார்த்தீங்கன்னா clarity இருக்காது, மங்கலா இருக்கும். Okay, for example more than 72, okay, for example நான் ஒரு 100 கொடுக்குறேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay, the picture clarity will be high. Suppose if I give 300 means the picture clarity will be more high. Okay, then background contents. If you give white means, okay, you see the background will be white. Okay, but suppose in this place if you give background color, sorry, if you give transparent means, okay, here there one can you see black and white dots are there, that means it is transparent. Transparent na the polythene sheet இருக்கும்ல, it has colorless அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, so either you can choose white background or you can choose transparent. Okay, so இது வரைக்கும் என்னென்ன பார்த்துருக்கோம். So file new, here you can give the name of the file. Here if you choose custom you can choose any width and any height. Here you can choose pixels or inches or centimeter or millimeter. So pixel means especially for website content we are using pixels. Centimeter, inches, millimeter and all if you want to print in A4 sheet or A3 sheet means you have to use inches or centimeter. The more resolution you give, the more clarity you will get. Okay, the more resolution you give, maximum 300 க்கு மேல கொடுக்க வேணாம். Okay, so that means என்னோட file size ரொம்ப heavy ஆயிரும். Okay, ரொம்ப பெரிய size ஆயிரும். So the more resolution you give, the more clarity you will get. Suppose if you give grayscale, இப்போ grayscale னு கொடுத்துட்டு நீ ஓகே கொடுத்துட்டு அப்படின்னா, okay, for example file open this picture, okay, choose copy and here new layer and here paste. Okay, so you can copy like this. Okay, fine. Okay, so what is this layer? Layer means it is nothing but a transparent sheet. Okay, now we are going to see about layers. Layer means transparent sheet. Okay, உனக்கு நான் புரியுற மாதிரி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா, see, let me explain you. Alt backspace. Okay, just a minute. Okay, first of all I will tell you before going to the layer I will tell you how to give the colors for the particular area. Okay, fine. So we can close this one, we can close this one, we can delete this layer. Yes, okay. Now listen, first of all there is no extra layers, only one layer. Okay, only one transparent sheet. First this is called rectangular marquee tool. What is this one? This is called rectangular marquee tool. If you click this one, okay, any rectangle you can give, any size of rectangle you can give. If you give alt backspace, okay, you see, if you give alt plus backspace, alt plus backspace means it will gives you 4 color, not number 4, it is front color. Okay, 4 color is the correct spelling. Okay, it's an American English. Okay, so 4 color. Alt backspace means what? It will gives you the 4 color. Listen. Now I'm going to choose one more layer. Okay, now I'm going to choose one more layer. Okay, right. So in this layer I am going to choose a circle. Okay, I'm going to choose a circle. Okay, and in the circle குள்ள நான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், color fix பண்ணுவோம். அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவோம், here can you see here in this area you have to click and you have to choose any color. For example, I'm going to choose red color. Any color I can choose. I'm choosing red color and then I am giving OK. Okay, then inside the circle I want to give the red color means what I had to give? I had to give Alt backspace. I had to give what? Alt plus backspace. Okay, so Alt backspace if I give means you can get the red color here. Okay, fine. Now listen, this is I can able to easily move this circle. Do you know why? I can be able to easily move the rectangle. Do you know why? This one is இப்படி நான் இந்த circle move பண்ண rectangle move பண்ணும்போது இந்த circle move ஆகாது. Whereas the circle move பண்ணும்போது இந்த rectangle move ஆகாது. Why? Because you see here the rectangle it is in layer 1, the circle it is in layer 2. Okay, so layer 1 la rectangle இருக்கு. If I close the eye means the rectangle will be disappear. Okay, in layer 2 circle is there. If I close the eye means circle will be disappear. Okay, so in layer 1 rectangle will be there. If I close the eye means the rectangle will be disappear. In layer 2 circle will be there. If I close the eye means the circle will be disappear. Okay students, right. Then now I'm going to give the background color. Okay, so how to add the one more layer? Okay, can you see here? Can you see here this area here? Okay, this is called layer button. Okay, if you click this one means you can add one more layer. You can add one more layer. In this layer you can give a square. Okay, then this is you see the red color is called as 4 color and the white color is called as background color. இப்போ இந்த background color நான் மாத்த போறேன். I'm going to give yellow color. I'm going to give somewhat yellow color. Okay, so yellow color I had given. Then if I give control backspace you can get the perfect square with what color? With yellow color. Okay, fine. So listen, control you say I'll tell you CTRL control plus backspace. If you give control plus backspace means you can give the background color. Okay, okay, okay. நீங்க இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு லேயர் செலக்ட் பண்ணி நீங்க கலர் கொடுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Okay, first of all what to do? Yes, first of all you had to click this button. Very good, super. Okay, then you can see the layer 4, correct? Okay, then you can see the layer 4. Now you have to choose one oval shape. How to choose the oval shape? We have to go to the left side. Here so many tools will be there. In the tools, the second tool, okay, it's a selection tool. Okay, so click this one. It will gives you the option rectangle or it will gives you the option rectangle or square or line. we need some ellipse, okay, some oval shape. I am choosing a oval shape, okay. Then I am going to give the color, okay. Now I am going to give the control backspace. Now I am going to give control backspace. That means what? It is nothing but background color, okay. Where is the background color? You see here, the red color is called as forecolor and the yellow color is called as background color, okay. So click the yellow color, then choose one color, for example pink color, okay. We can choose violet color, okay, right. Then okay, right. Then if I give, you see, if I give alt backspace means it will give you red color, whereas if I give control backspace means it will give you pink color. Understand, students? Okay. So alt backspace means it will give you red color. You see, the forecolor is red color and the background color is pink color. Understand, students? Okay. So listen, I want to make disappear for the yellow color square, okay. Yellow color square I want to make it disappear. அது காணாம போக வைக்கணும். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? So right click, this is layer 3, this is layer 3, okay. Can you see layer 3 yellow is there? That one, if you click the eye means that will be disappear, that yellow color will be disappear, okay. Then for example the pink color is missing, so what to do? Go to the layer 4. Can you see pink color here, small pink color? So if you click the eye means that will be appear. Then where is the rectangular blue color box? Where is that? So go to layer 1. Can you see blue color rectangular box? If you click the eye means that will be visible. That's all, very easy students. Understand? Okay. So hope you enjoyed. Okay. So still so many things we are going to see. Right. Now listen. First I am going to teach the names of this tool. Okay. First you take the mouse. Okay. Go to the first tool. Just keep it and wait. It will tell you it is a move tool. What tool? This is a move tool. Okay. Then keep the mouse in the second tool. It is called as elliptical mark you tool. Actually this circle is useful for selection tool. Okay. Right. இது எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம்? ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் ஏரியாவை செலக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம். Very good. And this one. Okay. It has 3 tools. First one is lasso tool, then polygon lasso tool, then magnetic lasso tool. Okay, let me tell you all the names and then I will explain you one by one. Okay, right. So what are tools? Those tools are there: lasso tool, polygon lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Right. Then okay, what is this one? This is magic wand tool. Okay, this one is what? This is crop tool. This one is called crop tool. Okay, and this one is called as eyedropper tool. First you just know the names of the tools, then I will explain you one by one. Okay. Then this is called healing brush tool, and this one is called as brush tool. Okay, fine. What is this one? This one is called clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool. Okay. Then next one, history brush tool. Next, background eraser tool. Okay. Next, gradient tool. Okay. Sharpen tool. Next, sponge tool. Next, pen tool. Next, horizontal type tool. Next, path selection tool. Next, custom shape tool, hand tool, zoom tool. Then this one is called forecolor, and this one is called as background color. Okay, if you click this one means it will be interchanged. Okay, you see. So for example, here if I give black color means, okay, so red and black mean, if I click this one means it will become black and red. Okay students, right. Then now I am going to explain the tool one by one. Okay, are you ready? Fine. So let me close this one. No, I don't want to save. From the beginning, file, okay, I'm going to open, file open, which picture I can choose? Okay, right, this lemon photo. Okay, then okay, right. So this lemon tool is there. Okay, first I'm going to teach move. Okay, this one. Okay, square tool. Okay, I'm going to select the picture. Okay, then using the move tool, if I click the move tool and if I do like this means that part alone it will move. That part alone it will move. Okay, fine. Listen, can you see the picture? So now it was looking somewhat different, no? Okay, listen, once again I will teach you. Listen, first I have to choose the shape. Okay, selection tool. Then I am going to give one circle like structure. Okay, right. Now listen carefully. This is called elliptical tool. This is used to select, and this is called as what tool? It is called as move tool. By using this I can able to move. You see, if I click and drag means that part will move. That part will move. I can move to any place. I can move to any place. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm just keeping here. Then I'm giving enter. Then you see, ஒரு dotted lines இருந்துட்டே இருக்கா, அது இருந்தா நம்மளால எந்த ஒர்க்குமே பண்ண முடியாது. So to remove the dotted lines, if I give control D means that will be disappear. Once again I'm saying, can you see the dotted lines? இது இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்மளால வேற எந்த ஒர்க்குமே பண்ண முடியாது. So what to do? If you give control D means that dotted lines will be disappear. Understand students? Okay, so right, you know how to do the selection and how to move the tool. Okay, right. Then how to move from one picture to another picture. Okay, right. Now listen, file, open. I'm going to click one picture, water droplet picture. Okay, how to open another file? Listen, file, open. This water droplet picture you can choose, click. Then if you give open means that file will be open in this page. If you click this tab means you can get the lemon picture. If you click this tab means you can get the water droplet picture. Okay, so இந்த லெமனை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இந்த இடத்துல கொண்டு போகணும். எங்க கொண்டு போகணும்? இந்த வாட்டர் டிராப்லெட்ல கொண்டு போகலாமா? ரைட். So listen. Okay, first of all I'm going to choose the picture. Okay, so rectangle shape. I'm going to choose the lemon picture. Okay, half lemon I am choosing. Okay, half lemon மட்டும் choose பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Control D. I'm going to choose only half lemon. Okay, only half lemon I had chosen. Okay, then I had to give control C. Okay, listen, CTRL, control plus C means it is nothing but copy, whereas control plus V means it is called as paste. Control plus C means copy, control plus V means it is paste. So understand, students? Okay. Now listen, I am ahead doing control C, then go to this picture, in water droplet picture. If I give control V means you can get the picture here. Can you see? Okay, it will be, see, this background will be in one layer, and the layer 1, the lemon picture will be in some other layer. Okay, so in the picture idayo illa lemon picture in the water droplet affect pannadu. Both are different layer. For example, can you see erase tooler? Eraser irukka paru. Okay, eraser tooler vechi. Okay, now I am going to explain eraser tool. What tool? Eraser tool. Okay, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11th tool is eraser tool. Click eraser, so many eraser will be there. Choose the first tool, eraser tool, simple eraser tool. Okay, okay. So இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன், இப்போ erase பண்ண erase ஆகுதா தெரியுதா? Okay, so listen, if I choose background, okay, if I choose background means இப்போ எது மட்டும் தான் erase ஆகும், இப்போ நல்லா பாரு. If I choose background means it will erase only the background, but if I choose layer 1 means it will erase only the what picture? It will erase only the lemon picture. நீ சொல்றது புரியுதா? You see, layer 3, I'm just going to choose a rectangle. Okay, then I'm going to give alt backspace. Here red color is there, control D. Okay, so in background layer, background is there. In layer 1, what is there? Lemon picture is there. Then in layer 2, the rectangle picture is there. Okay, so I want to delete only the rectangle red area. I want to erase only the rectangle red area. That means you have to go to the eraser. Okay, then if I do like this, okay, it will erase, you see, it will erase only the red color rectangle area. Why? Because I had choose only the layer 2. It won't affect the lemon area, it won't affect the background water droplet area. Okay, நான் பாரு இங்க இருந்து நான் கிளிக் பண்ணி drag பண்ணிட்டே வரேன், எதையுமே erase பண்ணல. It will erase only the red color area. Understand, students? So that is the main purpose of this layer. Okay, layer வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும்னா ஒரு லேயர் நீ வர்க் பண்ணும்போது இன்னொரு லேயர் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணாது. Okay, right. Then now we are coming for brush tool. Sorry, eraser tool. Eraser, can you see the circle here? Can you see the circle? Okay, இப்போ this tool, you see, in keyboard this tool is used for to make small size, small eraser. Okay, whereas this tool is used for big eraser. Okay, listen, you see, if I choose this this button in the keyboard, can you see the circle will become smaller and smaller. But if I choose this button in the keyboard, the eraser will become very very big. You see, the eraser will become very 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 big. I can able to increase the size of the eraser. You see, இப்போ நான் பேக்ரவுண்ட் சூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு நான் ஒரு கிளிக் பண்ணேன்னா என்ன ஆகும், அப்படியே எரேஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ இப்போ வந்து லேயர் 1 சூஸ் பண்ணி இப்போ நான் வந்து ஒரு கிளிக் பண்ணால் என்ன ஆகும், அது அப்படியே எரேஸ் ஆயிரும். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஓகே. ஸோ if I want to increase the size, that means what to do, I have to use the square bracket. Okay, then left side square bracket if I use means, open square bracket if I use means it will become smaller size. Okay, இப்போ பாரு, இப்போ erase பண்ணது சின்னதாக erase பண்ணோம். You see, click the layer 2. If I erase means it will become small size eraser. I want to make it big means, so this button I have to use square bracket, closing square bracket I have to use. If I use this closing square bracket means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, if I click means it will become a big eraser. Okay, understand students? Do you know how to increase the size of the eraser? Right. Now we can close this one. No. Okay, we can close this one. Right. Now you know how to move the tool, right? Okay. Then you know what is called rectangular selection tool. You know what is called elliptical selection tool. That's all okay. Now we are going for next one. Okay, what is one? Lasso tool. What tool? Lasso tool. Using lasso tool, randomly I can able to select. You see, I can able to select randomly. Then if I press delete button means, okay, that part will be deleted. Just a minute. Listen, இங்கே நான் delete button கொடுக்குறேன், delete ஆகலை. Why? Because background, can you see background நீ லேயராக மாற்றணும். ஓகே, சும்மா பேக்ரவுண்ட் இருக்கும் போதே நீ வந்து delete பண்ணினா it won't be deleted. ஸோ பேக்ரவுண்டை நீ எப்படி லேயராக மாற்றுறது? Double click the background. Can you see layer 0? Then okay. Now a particular part is selected. If you give delete button means that part will be deleted. Understand students? Okay, so control Z. இப்போ தெரியாமல் கட் பண்ணிட்டேன், தெரியாமல் irregular கட் பண்ணிட்டேன், மறுபடியும் பழைய மாதிரியே வரணும். What you will do? So you have to give control Z. Listen, you have to give CTRL control plus Z. If you give control Z means, okay, what you have done previously that will appear. Previous, one step back, one step back. What you have done previously, that action will be appear. Okay, so இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பழைய மாதிரியே இருந்துச்சு. So control Z if I give means, okay, so the previous color will appear. Okay, so how to make disappear this dotted lines? The dotted lines இருக்கும்போது, okay, நம்ம எந்த ஒர்க்குமே ஒழுங்காக பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன், கரெக்டா? So how to make disappear this dotted lines? How? Okay, let me tell you. Control D, CTRL plus D. Control D means deselect. அப்படின்னா என்னன்னா, ஆல்ரெடி நீ செலக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிருப்ப அந்த பார்ட்டை டீசெலக்ட் பண்ணணும், செலக்ஷனை ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, அதர்வைஸ் ரிமூவ் தி செலக்ஷன், remove the selection. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு பார்ட்டை செலக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுருப்பீங்க, அதை நீங்கள் வந்து டீசெலக்ட் பண்ணணும். வாட் இஸ் கால்ட் டீசெலக்ட்? ரிமூவ் த செலக்ஷன். ஒரு செலக்ஷனை எப்படி ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும்னா, யூ ஹாவ் டு யூஸ் கண்ட்ரோல் ப்ளஸ் டி. யூ ஹாவ் டு யூஸ் கண்ட்ரோல் ப்ளஸ் D. Okay. So control D means that dotted lines will be disappear. Selection on the unselection item, it will be disappear. Okay, right. Now, so listen. First என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Lasso tool. First what we had saw? Lasso tool. Okay. So that means randomly நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? Just a minute. You see, randomly ஒரு lines வரைஞ்சி நம்ம விட்டுட்டோம். If I give delete means, so random select பண்ற randomly ஒரு விஷயத்தை select பண்றதுக்கு we have to use lasso tool. Okay. So randomly ஒரு விஷயத்தை நம்ம select பண்றதுக்கு we have to use lasso tool. And next one is polygon tool. Next one is what tool? Polygon tool. Okay, in the picture bore அடிக்குது, we can choose some other picture. Okay. No. File, open. We can choose some other picture. What picture we can choose? Okay, this flower picture I can choose. Okay, right. Now listen carefully. Now what we can choose, you see, magnetic wand tool. இப்போ தெரியுதா, ஒரு மேஜிக் அந்த ஹாரி பாட்டர்ல மேஜிக் ஸ்டிக் வருமே அந்த மாதிரி, this called a magic stick. Okay, magic wand tool. Click this one and click here. என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு பாருங்க, இந்த ரெட் கலர் இந்த black கலர் மட்டும் செலக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. If you give delete means, okay, okay, so delete பண்ண முடியாது. Why? Because background you have to change it as layer. Background you have to change it as layer. How to change it? Double click the background and layer 0, click OK. The layer ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணலாம், delete பண்ணலாம். Okay, so once again choose the magic wand tool. Okay, click here. Okay, and go to the tolerance. I am giving 50. Enter. அப்படி தான் இருக்கா? Okay, so go to the magic wand tool, click the black color. Okay, இப்போ பாருங்க கரெக்டாக வந்து என்ன இருக்கு, இந்த பார்ட் மட்டும் வந்து என்ன இருக்கு, செலக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, if I give delete means that part will be deleted. And here also one black color is there. Click that black color. So black color alone will be selected. Click delete, that part will be deleted. Then here on black color, click the black color, press delete button, that part will be deleted. Okay, so inga parunga, can you see the dotted lines are there? I told you the dotted lines irunchina maximum endha workum panna mudiyadu. So how to deselect that one? To remove the selection you have to use control D. Okay, so if I give control D means that part will be erased. Okay, fine. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, okay, so magic wand tool பத்தி உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சா? Okay, next I am giving control Z, control alt Z, control alt Z, control alt Z. Okay, what is called control alt Z? You see, next I am going to teach you CTRL plus control alt ALT plus Z. Okay, control alt Z means what? Control alt Z means, so it will go to the one step back, again and again, and again. Okay, so control alt Z நீ கொடுத்துட்டே இருந்தீனா இதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நடந்துச்சுனா அந்த பொசிஷனுக்கு போயிடும். Then again control alt Z means இதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நடந்துச்சோ அது அப்படியே போயிடும். Okay, so control alt Z கொடுத்துட்டே இருந்தீனா ஸ்டார்டிங்ல உன்னோட ஃபைல் எப்படி இருந்துச்சோ அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடும். Clear? Okay, ரைட். இங்க பாரு, இப்போ நான் delete கொடுக்குறேன் அப்புறம் இங்கே கிளிக் பண்ணி ஒரு delete, then இங்கே கிளிக் பண்ணி ஒரு delete. Now listen carefully. Control Alt Z means then in the black color part என்ன ஆச்சு பழைய மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. Then again Control Alt Z means okay இந்த part black ஆயிடுச்சு. Then again Control Alt Z means இந்த part என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு black ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகே ஸோ இப்படியே பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தோம்னா என்ன ஆகும், ஃபைலோடைய பிகினிங்கில் அந்த ஃபைல் எப்படி கண்ணுக்கு தெரிஞ்சோ அதே மாதிரி it will be look. Understand? Okay. And next we are going to choose some other picture. Okay, we can choose some other picture. Close this one. I don't want to save this one. No. Then file, open. I want to choose some other picture. This picture, open. Okay, now listen. This is called polygon lasso tool. Lasso tool means randomly we can select. Polygon lasso tool means, listen, you see polygon lasso tool enna theriyudha, you can draw only the straight lines. Using the straight line you can able to connecting the lines. ஓகே ஸோ எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரேண்டமாக நீ வந்து செலக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது, நீ வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன்ஸ் மூலியமாக தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் செலக்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ இஃப் ஐ ப்ரெஸ் delete key means delete பண்ண முடியல. why? because this background you have to change it as layer. okay, so double click this background, then layer 0, then okay, so background become layer 0. okay, இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், if you press delete key means that part will be deleted. Understand students? okay, so control D means what will happen, that dotted lines will be disappear. okay, சரி எனக்கு அந்த பழைய மாதிரி இந்த பிக்சர் ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் எப்படி இருந்துச்சோ எனக்கு அதே மாதிரி எனக்கு வரணும். அதுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், so for that, so one step back again and again. okay, if you want to go back again and again means you have to choose Control Alt Z. you have to choose Control Alt Z. you see Control press பண்ணிட்டேன், Alt press பண்ணிட்டேன், then Z press பண்ணிட்டேன், Control Alt Z, then Control Alt Z, then Control Alt Z, Control Alt Z. ஸோ பாரு இந்த பிகினிங்கில் பிக்சர் எப்படி இருந்துச்சோ அந்த மாதிரி வந்துருச்சு. ஓகே okay, once again I am going to teach you polygon lasso tool, the same polygon lasso tool. okay, so click this one, under lasso tool polygon lasso tool is there. okay, using this one I can choose any shape, but any shape it will be coming in straight line only. okay, then if I press delete means that part will be deleted. okay, so how to convert it as layer, just a minute, it's loading. Double click background, then okay, now delete. right, okay, and now we are going for magnetic lasso tool. okay, now we are going for magnetic lasso tool. okay, Adina sir, what is called magnetic lasso tool? Very simple. Listen, let me choose some other file. I'm using the same flower picture. okay, right, so okay students, that's all, time up. We can see you in the next class. Thanks for watching and thank you very much.